Oh yeah? Really? Hi. Are you standing up? How did you do that? Well, time to lower the crib, I think. Think it's time to lower the crib. Ah. Hi, Kieran. What are you doing? Hi. Mm. Oh, you're trying to do it with one hand? You're trying to launch yourself over it? Yeah. Hi, Kieran. Hey, where's your dada? Where's your dada? How about Mama?
She's right there.
Kieran, where's Mama?
She's right next to him.
Mama. Oh, you're not going to say it now, are you? That's okay. Ha ha ha. Oh, no. No, he just was coughing. Well, I better get you before you launch yourself over. Who's that? Who do you hear, Kieran?